rapid steamer. Now what can I do in that? You want to go off the beaten path and you want to talk about something else? How about a classic French dish inside of an RS 1000? A classic Papillote, which would be salmon inside of a parchment paper, so wrapped in its own package. So we would take parchment paper and take our salmon, you could do a sea bass, some julienne vegetables, some fresh ginger, some meat, white miso maybe rubbed over top of that salmon, and we're going to take that and then we just create a package. We create that package, and the RS 1000, the cool thing about this too, we can go one big basket, or you can get the two smaller baskets, or a half basket with a slider, so you can put more items in at once. But we would take this, create that package, and once finished, this would go to the table in the package and cut at the table. So the steam creates a vacuum on the inside, and at the table, you just take a knife and cut the parchment, and the steam and the smells of that ginger and miso come out at the table. So try that in your RS as a hack.